Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your Beijing girl Joanna Jadelia, and I am here with my first video. I'm here with my first video, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to style a bad twist up. Simply because that's my life. So if y'all want to see how I do that, just keep on watching. Take down my hair. Now I have 4C here, and funny thing, my hair looks black now, I guess, but like it's actually kind of brown, and I feel like I'm not the only one. So this is what I mean by a messy or like a terrible twistle, because this, guys, this was supposed to be a twistle. So my hair is washed, but it's not freshly washed. I washed my hair like, what was it, 2 days ago? Yeah. So this is what it's looking like. This is the twist that I had, whatever. And yeah. And I did put aloe vera gel in my hair, so if you see some like white stuff here, I find that's the aloe vera gel. This is my hair. It's pretty dry, I'm not gonna lie. It's dry. So I'm going to get my spray bottle. You can use water, just water, but I have been trying, I guess, rice water from yesterday, like when I wash my hair. So my spray bottle actually has in rice water. If you want, this helps to get product into my hair. One, because I have low porosity hair, which really means that it's hard to get products into my hair. So sometimes I wet it. Heat also helps, but not direct heat. But I don't want to go through all of that. So for now, I'm just going to wet my hair. I'm probably going to wet it some more because it doesn't really feel wet, but like damp. So when I mean wet, you just want to damp it. Now this is the point where you could detangle if you want to, but I don't want to, simply because I just, this is kind of like you're doing the style from the, terrible twistle. So, and you're probably like, you don't want to spend more time on detangling. So we're just going to style this now. But today I'm just going to be styling it all up into one. So I'm just going to do a high puff. Yeah, like this. So take all your hair out like that. But before we do that, after we wet it, remember we wet it for a reason, and that's to help put moisture. So next I'm gonna use some conditioner, like a moisturizer. The one I'm gonna be using is the Garnier, and this is the, what is this? Oh, sorry, it's in Spanish, simply because I bought it here because I didn't have any products. But this is the oil repair coconut one. Yeah. One thing I found, let me tell y'all about Mexico, is that they really don't have products for 4C, black girls' hair. So yeah. But I got this one simply because I have this in Barbados. I said that like a tourist. Barbados. I got this in Barbados, and my mom used to use it on my hair. Maybe not this exact one, but like the brand. So I'm just gonna put that all in my hair to moisturize it. I'm not gonna use a lot because this is like a lazy kind of, kind of style. Okay, I got that, and just moisturize. So we're gonna do that all up through here. So anyways, we have moisturized my hair, and as you see, I'm not really like pulling my hair apart, simply because you kind of want to still get the look. Oh, I look crazy. You still want to get the look of the twistle. That's why I haven't, separated or whatever. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, that's a stop. And I'm going to get my brush and you're just going to brush it up. Okay. Just going to brush it all up. Now, if you wanted this to be like a sleek, you could use gel. Just make sure it's a gel that works well with your conditioner, you know, your leave-in conditioner, moisturizer, I guess. And one gel that I live by is the see that? It's the Eco Styler gel. It's the olive oil one. This works for me, so that's why. But I'm not gonna be using gel today. One, because I am in quarantine and ain't nobody watching me, and I ain't got nowhere to go. So why? So you're just gonna put all up like this. And then you're just gonna brush it all up. Now, I have a big forehead, and I'm coming to terms to accept it. So I really don't like just doing, you know, a whole, like, one puff. So sometimes what I will do is leave some hair down at my front. And that's that's to hide, really, my big forehead. So I'm just going to part some hair down. This is optional. Like, if you love to do, or if you like high puffs, then I would tell you, you know, go ahead. So I'm just gonna part it in I don't know what kind of way. And this is gonna be hard to part simply because my hair is all like matted in a sense, because remember, I did not detangle. So that's my fault. But that's okay. That's okay, Joanna. Yeah, so I'm just gonna separate them. I'm gonna go on this side and do the same thing. And I part it down to where I like it, but one guide I guess you can use is like the middle of your eyebrow. You could go like that, like the middle, or you can even part from the beginning of your eyebrow. Get what I'm saying? And go up so that your hair falls, you know, in the middle. And that depends on how much hair you really want at the front. And I think that this is, for me, too much. So I'm just gonna take some out. I like how it is at the side, but I think some needs to come out from here. So I'm just gonna part across. Yeah, my hair is tangled. Anyways, so we part that across. I know you're, probably wondering what kind of comb this is. This is a rat tail comb. Well, really, it's just a rat tail because it broke. But yeah, just get your any parting comb that works for you, I guess. I find a rat tail comb is just easy for me. Okay, so I think that's where I want to leave it. Do your job. I want to carry out a little bit more. Okay, I'm just gonna tidy up that part. Okay, I think I did something there. And yeah, so now we're gonna get deep with our hair. My hair got a little dry, so I'm just gonna spray it again. Okay, and then we go up like this. Remember that? So you get me, so my big forehead is hidden. Now, brush it for if you want a more clean look. That's what you do, and you do your edges. I won't say do your edges at this point. You can do them after you you know, put your hair up like this, and you just want to hold with all your hair like this. So in here would be your hair. Hold it, fix that side, and I'm just gonna get, there's a lot of names for this. I call it a woggle. What else? There are many names. What's the other one? I don't know, a band. I don't know, but you just take it, pull it, and then you twist it like that, and you go again, and then yeah. Now here's something that you could do if you don't want your ends to be, you know, exposed, is that when you're putting it through, like, don't push it all through. Leave your band on your hair like that, and then pull your hand away, and therefore it will be like this. And then you can just, you know, fluff it out to your liking, center it, all that kind of stuff, so your ends will look weird. So your ends are protected. But as I said, my head looks weird like this, so I'm just gonna let it all come through, pull all my hair through, and yeah, we're gonna get back to styling that. Now to go with here, I'm gonna split this into like this, and if you wanted, as I said, to get a neat look, you could put your rubber band here, but I'm just gonna twist it. Just gonna twist it like this. And you're probably saying, girl, your hair looks dry. I know, but don't watch anything. I know it's dry. I know it's dry. So just twist. Twist that all the way. Like that. Now sometimes I don't like to twist all the way down to the bottom, so I just like curl it around my finger. Like that. Then we're gonna do the same thing right here. Now this is a loose twist. So I'm just gonna go like, you see that? Where it's not that close together. And just move my finger down along my hair. Like this. And keep going. And when I get to the bottom, like where it starts to thin, I just twist it around my finger, simply because I don't want to have the trouble of trying to undo it and then losing some of my hair. So then I just twist it, and to get it straight, I add some conditioner to the ends, and yeah. So that's my two twists. And as I said, we were coming back up here to style it. Now if your twist out like really has definition, mine doesn't, because remember, mine was a bad twist, so yours could be bad in your opinion, but if yours have like real defined curls, where I'm looking to show you like what I mean, nope, I don't have, but like, okay, like this, and you want, you know, you can let them show. So what you can do is just start like detangle some if you have, but I don't. So then we're just gonna shake this into a puff, but it's kind of like a messy kind of twist up puff. Okay, like get the shape you want first. What I'm doing, I'm just stretching it out, like pulling through my hair. If you have a pit, you could do that. And yeah, and then you could, because I know my ends don't look that good, I just tuck them in. And while tucking, you want to like form the shape, the desired shape. So like it's almost like you're forming a bun, but just a messy bun. So you see, I just tuck my ends in like that, just tuck them. You can use hairpins. I do have hairpins. So you can use a hairpin if you would like. So just tuck there, and it kind of looks like a bun. If you see what I mean. It's not too bad, is it? And you just, so that hair looks weird there, just tuck it all away. Like that. I think that's pretty cute. Okay, just to your desired shape, you know how you like it. And that's very, you could, now from here you can do your edges, but I am not about to do that. I'm just, one, because I'm letting my hair breathe in a sense from this products. Like this is the time where, you know, I can take care of my hair more, and I find like I just don't need to put products in and stuff like that. Plus I'm not going anywhere. But let me show you where places you could put your gel. So like for here where it's frizzle, I would put my gel here so that this brushes in more. And at the back, obviously at your sides for your edges. And yeah, this is the style. I hope you guys liked it. And if you don't want to leave the two like this, one thing that I used to do, or yeah, I still do, is not, when it's dry, you can, which one? This one was done first, so I'll use this one. You can undo it. I'm just twisting the opposite way. Let me show you all. So it was like this. I'm just twisting the opposite way. And you can undo it. So therefore they can tell that, in a sense, you know, it's a twist out. That's something I would do to, you know, that they get the gist. And just bring more like fanciness to your hair. So then you will undo it and then make it look like bangs in that sense. Like so. Just, and sometimes all you gotta do to feel the hairstyle is do a pose. You feel me? Like, okay, it's working. So yes, guys, I'm just gonna twist these back up. Set. And if you try this style, let me know how did it go, or if you want to see more styles with how to, you know, save a twist out, then also let me know. And if you want to see how I kind of did this look, because your girl is wearing a little makeup, it's gonna closer up. I have a video that will be coming showing y'all how I do my natural look makeup, so stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for watching. It was a pleasure doing this for you guys. And if you want to see more hair videos, I have that for you too. I have a lot of ideas for my channel that I want to, you know, put out there for you guys. So subscribe and stay tuned. There's a lot of good vibes, good things coming. So that's it from me, your Bajan girl, Joanna Jadelia.